If you're working in Photopea and you see that flashing selection line around your image, don't worry. That's called the marching ants. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to deselect in Photopea fast and easily. This is one of those super useful basics that every beginner should know, because once you know how to remove a selection, editing becomes a lot smoother and less confusing. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and editing tutorials. It really helps the channel a lot, and it lets me keep making simple step-by-step guides like this one. Alright, let's jump in. The fastest way to deselect in Photopea is with a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and D on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, press Command and D. The moment you do that, Photopea will remove the active selection, and the marching ants will disappear right away. This is usually the method I recommend because it's instant, it's easy to remember, and it works in most design and editing workflows. If the shortcut doesn't feel comfortable, or you just prefer using your mouse, there's another simple way to do it from the top menu. Look at the very top of the Photopea screen and find the Select menu. Click on Select, and then choose Deselect from the dropdown. As soon as you click that option, the selection will be cleared from your canvas. This is a great option if you're still learning the interface and want to see exactly where the command is located. Now, here's another quick tip. If you still have a selection tool active, like the Rectangle Select tool or the Lasso Select tool, you may be able to clear the selection just by clicking on a blank area of the workspace. In some cases, clicking outside your canvas on the dark gray background will make the marching ants disappear. If your selection is still active and you want to fully reset your space, this is a handy mouse-only trick to try. Also, it's important to know the difference between deselecting and deleting. Deselecting only removes the selection outline. It does not erase any part of your image. So if you accidentally selected something and just want to get rid of the border, using Ctrl D, Command D, or the Select menu is the safe way to go. If you're new to Photopea, a lot of people get stuck because they think the flashing outline is part of the image itself. It isn't. It just means Photopea is waiting for you to make edits inside that selected area. Once you deselect, you can continue working normally without the selection getting in the way. So let's recap quickly. If you want the fastest method, use Ctrl D on Windows or Command D on Mac. If you want to use the menu, go to Select and then Deselect. And if you're working with a selection tool, you can also try clicking a blank area of the workspace to clear the selection. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to deselect in Photopea using the quickest shortcuts and the easiest menu option. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.